Hi guys, today I just received my Oden's Eye large $75 mystery box, and I'm very excited to share with you guys what I received in the box. Every year around Easter weekend, Oden's Eye releases two mystery boxes. The one was $45 with a value of $90 worth of products. And then the larger one, the one that I got today, was $75 and it has $170 worth of products in there. I didn't open it yet, so everything in here is just as big surprise to me as it will be for you. So we're just going to go through all the products that I received this year, and then at the end of the video I will tell you whether I think it was worth spending $75 on this or not. The reason why I'm very excited about this mystery box is I haven't purchased any Oden's Eye products since the last mystery box, and as far as I understand, all of the products in these mystery boxes are products that released since then. And I also know that they included some of the jewelry items in these mystery boxes, so we might get some jewelry. So I expect all of the products in this box to be products new to me. Okay, so I haven't opened it at all. I have no idea what's inside. So let's just get into it. Okay, it's everything wrapped into this bubble wrap with a little pretty card. That's so beautiful. I'll read that later. Let's just have it here in case you're interested to see what it says. Okay, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the box and then just pack everything out here. Okay, these look like jewelry items. Oh, it's so pretty. I got the Halloween palettes. Oh, I'm so happy. Both of them. Oh, wow. This is the Halloween palette, right? I know this one is a Halloween palette. Oh, but I looked at this palette earlier, both of these, and I'm very excited because those are some of the palettes I really looked forward to getting. So let's open these first. It's a little bracelet. Okay, that's what the bracelet looks like. It has a beautiful gemstone in a heart shape and more like a diamond shaped, teardrop shaped stone in the center and a little golden chain. It's really pretty. Let's just put it here. And then the other one, it's like a pearl bracelet. That's what this one looks like. Oh, that's pretty. Has a little pink stone in the center there in the shape of a heart, and then an amethyst type of thing, and then a few other stones, and then the pearls. I think that's very pretty. I'll just put it over there. I do have to say, last year I received a lot more products, but I think the value of each product was a lot less. So I'm quite surprised with the fact that I only received 5 products this year. Just getting all the plastic off. But I have to admit, I'm not disappointed with the products that I received so far. Let's just look at the colors. This is the Betty Jean Planet Spirit palette. And that's what the palette looks like. Oh, you know what? This is exactly the palette that I wanted when I went through. You know, when you buy a mystery box and you go through all the products that they have and you think, oh, it would be nice if you get this or that. This was the number one on my list. It's like my prayers have been answered. Oh, this color is so pretty. I can't wait to do a demo for you guys with this. Let's just put it over there. Then the Trick or Treat palette. This is the collaboration with Angelica. I'll link her channel at the bottom in the description box. Let's just see. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at this dark green color. It's so beautiful. And then the last palette I got. It's so beautiful. I do feel like the colors in these palettes all have a bit of a green theme to them. If you open it up like that, they all have green colors in there. Not a green theme, just all of them have some shade of bluish green to darker green to light green and more of a muted green. So they all do have the greens in there. It's very coincidental. But I think it's a beautiful range of colors. Let's see if we can fit everything in there. I'm just going to remove these plastics because I see they're attached. Okay, I'm just going to flip it over because I see they do give a bit of glare and you can't see the nice colors. I think they just sticked with a piece of tape. There's the pretty colors of the palettes and the 2 bracelets. So now for my thoughts on this. I love the palettes that I got. I think it's a very pretty palette range. And the fact that I got more than one bigger eyeshadow palette and a very pretty smaller eyeshadow palette is perfect for me. That's really what I hoped to get. I have to admit, I'm not very fond of pearls, so I will probably be re-gifting that. However, I might wear this one. I like hearts, and I like the shade of that stone in the center. Okay, I had a quick look on the website. This is not the other Halloween palette. However, it's still an Angelica collab palette. If I had to choose between the many products that I received in the previous box versus the limited amount of products but the quality of products that I received in this box, I definitely prefer this box over last year's products. That being said, it is a bit more exciting when your whole box is cluttered full of little pieces of things. But overall, I am happy with the purchase. I would do it again in a heartbeat, and I'm very excited that I didn't receive any products that I already had that were not listed in the possible products for this box. So let me know what you think. Do you think this was worth purchasing? Did this inspire you to buy the mystery box next year with the 2025 Easter mystery box? Or did you think it's not really worth spending $75 on? I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Please keep an eye out on my channel if you want to see tutorials on these palettes, because I will be doing them over the next few weeks. And then I hope to see you next time, guys. Bye!